Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner Technical Services. Welcome to our Tips and Troubleshooting video series. If your Control Pro 130 isn't spraying, it might be due to a lack of pressure. I'll show you how to fix that. With the power turned on and the big knob on your sprayer set to prime, you should see paint flowing through the clear return tube inside the tank. If nothing comes out of the spray gun when you set the knob back to spray, you might have a clogged or stuck outlet valve. With the power to the sprayer turned off, take 2 adjustable wrenches and remove the spray hose. Then, loosen the set screw underneath the outlet valve with a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Next, unscrew the outlet valve with an adjustable wrench and clean any paint buildup inside the outlet valve housing using a rag and water or mineral spirits, depending on the type of material you're spraying. When you're done cleaning, replace the outlet valve and snug it back up with the wrench. And don't forget to retighten the Allen screw. Now, reattach the hose, turn the power on, and set the knob to prime for several seconds before turning to spray. Do some test spraying on a piece of cardboard to make sure the sprayer is working properly again. We hope you found this video helpful. For more help, watch our other help videos or call us at the number on your screen. You can also live chat with us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.